Kemcho Gujarat. This is Hemant Nanajkar from Jyoti CNC Automation Limited. This is Huron 5-axis machine we have displayed here from Huron Grafenstaden, France. This is owned by Jyoti. It's 100% subsidiary of Jyoti CNC Automation Limited. And Huron has a legacy of more than 150 years in a milling machine. And now this is the first time we have displayed this 5-axis machine here in ENGIMACH exhibition. This is a very high precision 5-axis CNC machine with a moving gantry type design, having the trunnion table, especially used in the aerospace and defense sector for manufacturing the very precise component with a critical geometry.